Here's another one of those Jeep videos. What the hell you talking about, boy? Why don't you just set fire and be done with it?
It's another My Jeep update. Okay, as you can see, I just got the differential cover bolted back up. I torqued the bolts to 15 foot-pounds, or about 180 inch-pounds. I believe the book calling for 15 to 17. And I'm getting ready to take it for a quick drive, go down to the marina and back. That'll be about 3 miles. So I can check for leaks, and hopefully I won't have any noise. Yeah, I touched the cover back up again while I had it off. Anyway, I'll be back with you with another update shortly. Out for now. Current mileage. I'm still in the subdivision, just under 20 miles an hour. It seems to be shifting good. So far, no noise. Okay, coming out of the front of the neighborhood, be making a left on Celery Avenue. Coast is clear, be a normal acceleration to 45. Everything seems to be normal. You can see I'm right at 40. Shift's good. Not hearing no noise. But I tell you, with these windows down, because I don't have no AC hooked up right now, it's pretty noisy in here. But I'm going to go with it the way it is, even if it's not 100%, because I'll probably never get to the mileage these gears would give me. Coming up to the marina, got to drop it back down to 30 here. Turn around, my turnaround place up here. And here's the old Gators Marina and Restaurant. Here's my turnaround spot. I'm gonna stop here and check my mileage. I believe it's about 2 miles up here. Maybe cut the lights off. Okay, 676. I think it was, 674 when I left. So it's about 2 miles up there. All right, I'm gonna hit on back and check my leaks. It don't sound no different than it did before, and I probably shouldn't have expected it to. And overall, it seems the differential seems pretty quiet. Shift's good. Anyway, I'm taking it on back. Check for leaks. And we're back, and that's the current mileage now, 679. So 5 miles I put on it. And I'm gonna check for leaks. Okay, I'm back. It shifted good. It was pretty quiet like before. And so I'm gonna go with the way it is. And I'm checking for leaks right now. Right now it looks dry. I did have a leak the last time. It was on the bottom bolt there, and I tightened it up and that stopped the leak. But I've got it torqued to the same foot-pounds as everything else. What I did is I put a little RTV on both sides of that gasket, because I think the gasket is, I think the bolt kind of tore the gasket there a little bit, not all the way through, but the hole is bigger than the rest of them. But anyway, I don't see nothing leaking. It was dripping there last time, so I think it's good to go. I'm gonna check everything close up, and I'll get back with you. And I'll tell you, it looks good and dry. That's the bolt that was leaking last time. Like I said, I put a little black RTV on both sides of the gasket there, and hopefully that'll do it. And everything else looks good. So I think I'm over this differential. You know, I'm starting to feel a lot better about it. Anyway, I've got some other work coming up, as you know, from the last video I posted, no, the one before. I've got all my parts in for my main seal, rear main seal, main bearings, and rod bearings. And I'm just debating when to start it. I think I'm going to drive this for a while, so I think it'll be after Christmas, maybe even after the first of the year before I do that. Anyway, I got a suspicion that my oil pump may be weak, because once in a while I have a oil pressure fluctuation. Doesn't happen all the time, but that could be an indication of the pump going out, or it could be some of the bearings in there, the main bearings wearing. Anyway, we'll see, and I'll catch you on the next updates. My Jeep out for now.